If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023. Chapter XXIX, Appeals, Sections 338 to 374. Chapter 29 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, provides a comprehensive legal framework for the process of appeals in criminal cases. Sections 338 to 374 outline the procedures and rights related to appealing judgments and orders passed by lower courts. This chapter ensures that parties have the opportunity to seek a higher judicial review, thus upholding the principles of fairness and justice within the legal system. Section 338, Appeal from orders requiring security or refusing to accept or rejecting surety. Section 338 allows an appeal against orders that require security, refuse to accept a surety, or reject a surety. This provision ensures that individuals have the right to challenge decisions regarding their bail or security conditions. Key points. Right to appeal ensures the right to challenge decisions on bail and security. Judicial review allows higher courts to review the fairness of such orders. Section 339, Appeal from orders imposing fines. Section 339 provides for appeals against orders imposing fines. Individuals fined by a lower court can seek a higher court's intervention if they believe the fine was unjustly imposed. Key points. Appeal against fines provides a mechanism to challenge fines. Higher court review ensures fines are just and proportionate. Section 340, Appeals from convictions. Section 340 outlines the right to appeal against convictions. Convicted individuals can appeal to a higher court if they believe there was an error in the trial or the judgment was unjust. Key points. Right to appeal convictions allows convicted persons to challenge their conviction. Review of trial and judgment ensures a thorough review of the trial process and judgment. Section 341, Appeal from acquittals. Section 341 permits the prosecution to appeal against acquittals. This ensures that even acquittals are subject to judicial scrutiny if the prosecution believes a legal error led to the acquittal. Key points. Prosecution's right allows the prosecution to challenge an acquittal. Judicial review ensures that acquittals are legally sound. Section 342, Appeal from other orders. Section 342 provides for appeals from various other orders not specifically covered by other sections. This ensures comprehensive coverage of appeal rights. Key points. Broad appeal rights covers appeals from various judicial orders. Ensures justice allows higher courts to review a wide range of judicial decisions. Section 343, Procedure for Appeals. Section 343 details the procedure for filing appeals, including the format, time limits, and required documentation. Key points. Formal requirements specifies how appeals must be filed. Time limits ensures appeals are filed within a reasonable time frame. This section ensures that the appeal process is orderly and efficient. Section 344, Powers of Appellate Court. Section 344 outlines the powers of the appellate court, including the authority to confirm, reverse, or modify the lower court's decision. Key points. Wide powers. The appellate court can alter the lower court's judgment. Ensures fairness, allows comprehensive review and correction of errors. Wide powers. The appellate court can alter the lower court's judgment. Ensures fairness, allows comprehensive review and correction of errors. Section 345, Summary dismissal of appeal. Section 345 permits the summary dismissal of appeals that are deemed frivolous or without sufficient grounds. Key points. Preventing abuse stops frivolous appeals from clogging the judicial system. Judicial efficiency ensures only serious appeals are considered. Section 346, Hearing of Appeals. Section 346 mandates that appeals must be heard in open court, ensuring transparency and public accessibility. Key points. Open court ensures transparency in the appeal process. Public accessibility. Appeals are heard publicly. Section 347, Notice of Appeal. Section 347 requires that notice of the appeal be given to all parties involved, ensuring they have the opportunity to be heard. Key points. Notice requirement ensures all parties are informed about the appeal. Opportunity to be heard. Parties can participate in the appeal process. Section 348, Judgment in Appeal. Section 348 specifies that the appellate court must deliver a reasoned judgment detailing the grounds for its decision. Key points. Reasoned judgment ensures transparency and accountability in appellate decisions. Detailed grounds provides a clear basis for the appellate court's decision. Section 349, Procedure when appellate court reverses acquittal. Section 349 outlines the procedure when the appellate court reverses an acquittal, including the issuance of an arrest warrant if necessary. Key points. Reversal of acquittal specifies steps for overturning an acquittal. Arrest warrant allows for the arrest of the accused if acquittal is reversed. Section 350, Finality of appellate judgment. Section 350 ensures that the appellate court's judgment is final and binding, subject to further appeal to a higher court. Key points. Finality establishes the appellate court's judgment as conclusive. Further appeal allows for higher judicial review if applicable. Section 351, Bail and suspension of sentence pending appeal. Section 351 provides guidelines for granting bail and suspending sentences during the appeal process. Key points. Bail provision allows for bail during appeals. Suspension of sentence. Sentences can be suspended pending appeal. Section 352, Additional evidence in appeal. Section 352 allows the appellate court to admit additional evidence if necessary for the just decision of the case. Key points. Additional evidence permits new evidence to be considered. Ensures justice, ensures all relevant facts are reviewed. Section 353, Submission of record of lower court. Section 353 mandates the submission of the lower court's record to the appellate court for review. Key points. Record submission ensures the appellate court has all necessary documents. Comprehensive review facilitates a thorough examination of the case. Section 354, Appeal in case of conviction on plea of guilty. Section 354 allows for appeals in cases where the accused was convicted based on a plea of guilty, but believes there was a legal error or coercion. Key points. Right to appeal. Even guilty pleas can be appealed under certain circumstances. Ensures fairness, protects against coerced or erroneous guilty pleas. Section 355, Abatement of Appeals. Section 355 addresses the abatement, termination, of appeals upon the death of the appellant, unless the appeal involves a sentence of fine. Key points. Abatement upon death. Appeals abate if the appellant dies. Exception for fines. Appeals continue if involving fines. Section 356, Appeals from orders passed under sections 107, 109, or 110. Section 356 permits appeals from orders passed under specific sections dealing with security for keeping the peace and good behavior. Key points. Specific orders covers appeals from security-related orders. Right to appeal ensures judicial review of such orders. Section 357, Court of Appeal to order production of detained person. Section 357 allows the appellate court to order the production of a person detained in prison, facilitating the hearing of their appeal. Key points. Production order ensures detained persons can be present for their appeal. Facilitates hearing, supports the right to a fair hearing. Section 358, arrest of accused in appeal from acquittal. Section 358 outlines the procedure for the arrest of an accused person when an appeal against their acquittal is filed by the prosecution. Key points. Arrest procedure details steps for arrest during appeal against acquittal. Ensures presence, ensures the accused is available for appeal hearings. Section 359 High Court's powers of revision. Section 359 grants the High Court powers to revise orders and judgments, ensuring that justice is served even if appeals are not filed. Key points. Revision powers. High Court can revise lower court decisions. Ensures justice, provides an additional layer of judicial review. Section 360 Reference to High Court. Section 360 allows lower courts to refer questions of law to the High Court for its opinion, ensuring consistent legal interpretations. Key points. Legal reference clarifies legal questions through High Court. Consistency ensures uniform application of the law. Section 361 Power to direct copies of judgment to be sent to subordinate magistrates. Section 361 mandates that copies of appellate judgments be sent to subordinate magistrates to ensure awareness and compliance. Key points. Judgment copies ensures lower courts are informed of appellate decisions. Compliance promotes consistency in judicial administration. Section 362 Language of appellate court's judgment. Section 362 requires that appellate judgments be written in the language of the court, ensuring clarity and understanding. Key points. Language requirement ensures judgments are accessible and understandable. Clarity promotes clear communication of appellate decisions. Section 363 Powers of Appellate Court in disposing of appeal. Section 363 details the powers of the Appellate Court in disposing of appeals, including confirming, reversing, or modifying the lower court's judgment. Key points. Disposal powers. Wide authority to alter lower court judgments. Ensures justice, allows comprehensive review and correction. Section 364 Release on bail pending appeal. Section 364 provides guidelines for releasing appellants on bail while their appeal is pending, ensuring their rights are protected. Key points. Bail guidelines outlines conditions for bail during appeals. Rights protection ensures appellants are not unduly detained. Section 365 Procedure when appealed to Supreme Court. Section 365 specifies the procedure for appeals to the Supreme Court, ensuring that higher judicial review is accessible. Key points. Supreme Court appeals. Detailed procedure for escalating appeals. Higher review ensures access to the highest court. Section 366 Execution of orders passed by appellate courts. Section 366 mandates the execution of orders passed by appellate courts, ensuring that their decisions are implemented. Key points. Order execution ensures appellate court decisions are carried out. Judicial authority upholds the authority of appellate courts. Section 367 Forms and entries in register. Section 367 prescribes the forms and entries to be made in the judicial register, ensuring proper documentation of appeals. Key points. Documentation ensures accurate record keeping. Judicial register maintains comprehensive records of appeals. Section 368 Saving of right of appeal in certain cases. Section 368 ensures that the right to appeal is preserved in specific cases, maintaining access to justice. Key points. Right to appeal protects the right to appeal in designated cases. Access to justice ensures fair access to appellate review. Section 369 Suspension of sentence pending appeal. Section 369 allows for the suspension of a sentence pending the outcome of an appeal, ensuring fairness to the appellant. Key points. Sentence suspension temporarily halts the sentence during appeal. Fairness protects the appellant's rights. Section 370 Appeal to lie to Supreme Court. Section 370 confirms the right to appeal to the Supreme Court from decisions of the High Court, ensuring a final level of judicial review. Key points. Underscore Supreme Court appeal, right to escalate appeals to the highest court. Underscore final review, ensures ultimate judicial scrutiny. Section 371, application for reversal of judgment. Section 371 allows for applications to reverse judgments under specific circumstances, providing a mechanism for correcting judicial errors. Key points. Underscore reversal applications, mechanism to challenge erroneous judgments. Underscore judicial correction, ensures fairness and accuracy. Section 372, time for appeal. Section 372 outlines the time limits within which appeals must be filed, ensuring timely judicial review. Key points. Underscore time limits, ensures appeals are filed promptly. Underscore timely review, promotes efficiency in the appellate process. Section 373, appeal from orders requiring security for keeping the peace or for good behavior. Section 373 permits appeals from orders that require individuals to provide security for keeping the peace or for good behavior, ensuring these orders are just. Key points. Underscore security orders, right to appeal security-related orders. Underscore judicial review, ensures fairness in such orders. Section 374, right of government to appeal. Section 374 preserves the government's right to appeal against judgments, ensuring that public interests are protected. Key points. Underscore government appeals, right of the government to challenge judicial decisions. Times public interest, protects societal interests through judicial review. Summary. Chapter 29 of the BNSS 2023 establishes a comprehensive framework for appeals in criminal cases. Sections 338 to 374 ensure that both the prosecution and defense have the right to seek higher judicial review of decisions made by lower courts. The chapter outlines detailed procedures for filing appeals, hearing arguments, reviewing judgments, and ensuring transparency and fairness throughout the appellate process. By providing mechanisms for additional evidence, bail, and the suspension of sentences pending appeal, this chapter safeguards the rights of appellants while ensuring that justice is served efficiently and equitably. The provisions within this chapter uphold the principles of due process, accountability, and judicial integrity, ensuring that the appellate system functions effectively to correct errors and deliver justice. Stay informed. Live in comfort.